The phrase 50 shades of grey always makes me think of our cities. Grey in all its facets really dominates our urban landscape.
No wonder that people are so keen to escape into fantasy worlds. My name is Maxi Bauer.
And I'm Viktoria Dürr. As landscape gardeners, we strive to turn green dreams into reality in our towns and cities.
Landscape gardening is present wherever you look. This includes municipal areas, where we plan and implement green urban spaces, and where we keep having to set ourselves new challenges.
Climate change will soon push many established tree species out of our cities. That's why at the Bavarian State Research Center for Viticulture and Horticulture, LWG, in Bad we're looking for suitable species for the future. We're also doing research there into other visions of the future for landscape gardening. After all, growing cities and a rising population require innovative solutions, such as living walls that trap fine particles of dust.
Another element of our work at the LWG involves training talented young people in landscape gardening. The career prospects in our industry look better than ever, precisely because it is so diverse. Naturally, we are not only active in the public sector, but also do a great deal in the area of private landscape gardening, where we design both decorative and functional gardens for our clients.
We're happy to cater for the specific demands of private individuals and companies. This could be anything from a classic English garden or an exotic Asian paradise to a self-regulating organic swimming pond.
In both the public and private sectors, we focus strongly on sustainable concepts and, above all, a clear, natural approach to water management and a favourable eco-balance thanks to cutting-edge technology.
That way, 50 shades of grey can be transformed into 50 shades of green.
Either in your city or perhaps even in your own garden.